What's going on, guys? Welcome back. And I'm in front of this unit over here in Playas de Tijuana. This is a unit that's right next to my place, right around the block. So where I'm renting is right around the corner. And this one I just saw popped up available, and it will not be on the market long, okay? So let's give you guys an inside look on what we are looking at. So let's kick it off, and I'm gonna turn this camera around. All right, so here is the entrance. They are gonna do some remodeling around this. So the old tenants just recently left, but they're gonna do the paint, they're gonna clean up the grass, they're gonna redo a few things in the home. So here we have a nice living area, okay, a little living area lounge. And then this is gonna bring us to another living section here. It's a little bit smaller, okay? Then we have the back door, the backyard patio. Again, they're gonna touch up on all the paint once more. Here's the kitchen counter, and then here's a nice cozy kitchen. All these cabinets will be removed, and they're going to install new ones. And then over here we have the laundry room, which also has the door that connects outside. Here is the water heater. And then this brings us to this section. This is where you can put your washer and dryer. All right, so let's move back out. And this is a 2-story. I believe it's 3 bedrooms. So here is a downstairs bathroom, just so you guys can see. And then it's down over here. And then let's go upstairs. And let's take a look. So this is 3 bedrooms. There you go. So here you go, 1 bedroom over here. Okay. Small closet. Workable, especially if you have 2 kids. And then here is another bedroom. Similar setup. Small closet. And then they share, this is a co-share bathroom. You can see right over here. And then this is the master bedroom. A lot more spacious, pretty much double the size of that other room. You got the view, and this is the south end of Playas. All right, so the south end, the beach is pretty much on the next block over, and the access way is there too. Then you have a bathroom, and then the shower right over here. So yeah, that concludes this this home, and then this home is about $1,200. So $1,200 US. Okay, so I'm heading back downstairs, and like I was saying, this home's about $1,200 US. It's really hard to beat that. A 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And then right near the south end of Playas de Tijuana, 1 block away from the access way to the beach. So it's really well situated, and for $1,200, you cannot beat that. Either way, if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Put in the comment section if you want to know more, and I can share with you the real estate agent that can help you get this property. All right, other than that, wish you guys a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next one.